Let's see who else wants to get on today. Why don't we go to, there's just so many people. Let's go to Casey from Oklahoma City. Casey from Oklahoma City. What's going on? Casey, I know you're unmuted because I heard a gonk in the background, but you were on. Casey from Oklahoma City.
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I sort of can.
Sorry, I'm in our office. Got to get the mask on. Walk down the hall. Yeah, so my question is kind of a hypothetical, and then your opinion on the matter. I generally feel like both parties should not hack the court. This is a conversation that's happening right now with Barrett. And, I kind of feel like the Democrats could say, yeah, we're going to pack the court with two. We're just going to even the nomination you made, and then we're going to add one more for the one that we wanted. But I still don't think it's the right thing to do. So I'm just curious what your thoughts are on it.
Casey, are you using power tools while you talk to me?
I am in a manufacturing plant.
So they are literally power tools. Okay, that's good. I'm glad I'm not going crazy. So listen, here's the thing. I don't think Joe Biden wants to pack the court. I think Joe Biden has actually been pretty clear in the past that it's not something he wants to do. I don't think Joe Biden is going to do it. So while I understand the criticism that he's not being upfront about whether he would or wouldn't, your idea of adding two, I just don't think it's something Joe Biden wants to do. And he's trying to keep the threat of packing the court to have some leverage. I don't know that it's working. Barrett could be confirmed before we know it. But your idea is an interesting one. I just don't think Joe Biden has any interest in it.
Well, and I don't think I don't think we should. I mean, I like the idea that the courts are independent, but I don't know how they also can be, as we're all humans. So, I mean, you also are picking judges based on their opinions on things, like the ACA.
Of course.
So it's a weird argument because they say, well, it shouldn't be political, but you're obviously rushing this through before they, see the case on November 10th, I think it is.
Yeah.
So,
If judges merely interpreted the law in a robotic way and spat out a response, you would have robots do it. You wouldn't put people in there. And you're correctly pointing out that, of course, their politics matter. There's no question about it. And, playing these games that they play during confirmation hearings about, no, I would simply look at the law and come out with the right answer. I just reflect what the law is. I don't come up with anything. Of course, that's not the way it works.
right, but that was on top of mine. Appreciate the taking the call, and wish you the best.
All right, Casey, I'll let you get back to the manufacturing there. I very, very much appreciate it. If you love feeding your intellectual curiosity, but you're always struggling to find the time, check out one of my all-time favorite apps called Blinkist. Blinkist lets you consume an entire book on your way home from work. They take thousands of popular nonfiction books, condense each one into text or audio that you can get through in just 15 minutes, and you get all of the important core ideas and information from that book. It's perfect if you don't have enough time to do all the reading you want to do, or if you just want to sample a book before you buy the entire thing. I recently read A Brief History of Time, of course, by the great Stephen Hawking. This is a book that I have been aware of for so long, and other things got in the way. And it was fantastic to check it out on Blinkist. Blinkist has books on politics, philosophy, science. They have 27 different nonfiction categories, and a subscription is only about $8 a month, and you get the entire library. But you can try it totally free and get 25% off a subscription when you go to Blinkist.com/Pakman. I've put the link right underneath this video.